In this video, we'll be showing you how to measure for our made-to-order calf-fitted tall boots. The first step of the process is measuring your foot size. Our tall boots fit true to size, so we recommend taking the size that you most often take for other shoes. If you have a Brannock available, you can step into it with your feet and weight spread evenly and measure your foot size. Cassandra will be measuring to an 8. The next measurement we ask for is foot width. Many of you already know what width your foot is, but if you'd like to determine this, you can take a fabric measuring tape and measure around the circumference of the widest part of your foot. This is where the bone beneath your big and your small toe are. You can see here that Cassandra is measuring to about 22.5 centimeters in circumference. From here, you can compare this to our foot width chart in relation to your foot size. So this would mean Cassandra is measuring to an 8 medium width. Next, we'll measure for calf width. While seated on a chair with your feet firmly planted on the floor and your legs bent at a 90-degree angle, wrap the measuring tape around the widest part of your calf. Slide the measuring tape up and down to find the widest point. You don't want the measuring tape to be cutting into your leg, but you also don't want it to be too loose. Just slightly snug around the widest point of your calf is perfect. The last step is measuring your boot height. While seated, find the point at the back of your knee about 2 centimeters below the crease. Pull the measuring tape straight down to the base of your heel. You can see here Cassandra is measuring to 42 centimeters for boot height. From here, you can submit your measurements, and the boots will be made to order in our factory for you in 12 weeks.